Apparently, there is something happening in the apparel space. Bad pun, best intentions. So this material goes by the name Glassine. Now there are other trade names and stuff for it, but it is ultimately a highly calendared, think about like run through a machine and flattened out really well, a whole bunch of, that's a crude way of saying it, but it's a paper that is over processed. And believe it or not, this was invented over 100 years ago as kind of a oil-resistant material, paper. It looks like, from my background, it looks like a vellum. Apparently something about the fiber and the way that it's processed. I couldn't tell you all the technical differences, but it's not vellum. It is actually a more resistant form of paper. What we are hoping to see is more durability in this. It is reasonably durable, but you know, when we see brands using it as an outer pack, as a shipping pack, we have seen some damage in the testing that we've done and some of the work that we've done with this material. We've seen some damage. So when it's around something, like instead of a poly bag, but it's inside something else, it's usually pretty good. But we've seen brands trying to use it as a shipper pack, but in the testing that we did, I don't know that I would go out and recommend it to a bunch of brands for that application. But yeah, if you haven't really heard of this or seen it, it's recyclable just like paper. It's semi-translucent like a vellum material or like a tracing paper looking thing. But yeah, it's actually pretty resistant to oil and some other things. So let me know where you've seen this out there, and if you are a fiber nerd, more nerdy than me, and knows the details, tell me a little bit how it's different than vellum, how those two materials are different. And yeah, I'm really curious to see where hear where you've seen it out in the world. Thanks for watching Unpacked.